to Joy.
One evening, while helping his mother in the kitchen, Rohan noticed something. Mom, he asked, when we buy a new gas cylinder, is it filled all the way to the top? Mother, actually, Rohan, it's not. Even a brand new cylinder has a quite bit of empty space inside. Rohan, wait, what? If it's not full, then why do we call it a full cylinder? Are we getting less gas than we paid for? That is a brilliant question, and the truth might shock you. An LPG cylinder is never 100% full. But why would companies leave that space empty? Is it a mistake or a life-saving secret? Let's find out. In this video, we are diving into three big mysteries. Number 1. Are LPG cylinders really filled completely? Number 2. Why is some space always left empty? Number 3. What is actually inside the cylinder? Let's start with the first one. Are LPG cylinders really filled completely? The answer is no. LPG cylinders are filled only about 80 to 85% of their capacity. For example, a common household cylinder contains 14.2 kilograms of LPG, but the cylinder itself has more space inside. So, even when we call it a full cylinder, some space is intentionally left empty. But things brings up the next mystery. Why do companies leave that space empty? Is it for storage or something else? Let's find out. That empty space is actually there to save your life. Inside the cylinder, LPG is stored mostly as a liquid. Now, here's the science. Liquids expand when they get warm. Imagine a scorching hot day in the middle of summer. If that cylinder were 100% full,
the expanding liquid would have nowhere to go. It would press against the steel walls with massive pressure, potentially causing the cylinder to crack or even explode. That 15% of empty space acts like a safety cushion, giving the liquid room to breathe.
What is actually inside the cylinder? Inside the LPG cylinder, there are actually two forms of LPG. At the bottom, LPG is stored as liquid. At the top, there is LPG vapor gas. This upper area is called vapor space. When you turn on the stove, some gas leaves the cylinder. Then a small amount of liquid LPG instantly turns into gas, keeping the pressure stable and the flame steady. Here's one more interesting fact. When LPG changes from liquid to gas, it absorbs heat, which is why cylinders can sometimes feel cold when gas is flowing. So, the next time you see a full LPG cylinder, remember that empty space isn't a mistake. It's the science keeping your kitchen safe. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.